Alright guys, it's Jason and this is my second video of how to do things. Today I'm going to be changing a door handle. It's really easy. All that it's going to take is just to pop out a few screws and then put those screws back in. So it's got a Phillips head 1 and 2. So we'll just get started with that real quick. Sometimes when you're doing this, it makes it easier to turn the screw if you pull the doorknob out, because then it's got pressure on it. Alright, so there's the one side and the other side. Now we've got to take this part out because I'm putting in a stainless door handle. This would obviously clash. So just pop these screws out real quick. And boom, there we go. So now to put in the new. Alright, so now our lock is out and now it's time to put our new lock in. So I'm actually putting a doorknob that locks on this one instead of just a plain doorknob. So the first thing to go in is the locking mechanism and the latch. So I'm going to slide that in there. We're just going to use the same holes that were already there, which is very nice. And obviously you could use a drill to do this. I'm just didn't feel like pulling my drill out for this. Alright, so now that is set in just a little bit to make sure that it doesn't catch on anything. And now it's time to put the lock and everything on. So you got two pieces here. So just a second and I will show you how to put that guy on. So this is the lock, the non-lock side, and it's just going to go through the doorknob like that, the hole, and then for this side, obviously you want to line up these two holes are where your screw is going to go. So you All right, these two holes are where your screws are going to go, so you want to line up this piece with those, and then put your screws in. All right, and this, when you're putting the screws in, there's two different types of screws that come with your new door handle. So there are ones like this, which go in the knob, and it's a machine screw. You can tell because it's got a finer thread. It's also got a little starter end. And then there is a wood screw, which is like this. So you can't really get a good view on it, I think, because it's focusing on me. But it's a finer thread, and it's going to be a flathead, so it'll set flush with your wood. All right, so start the second screw in. All right, so I'm just finishing tightening up the screws on this. Then the last thing to do will be to put the plate in on the door jamb, which is, just like the rest of it, it's 2 screws. Super simple. All right, so our doorknob is fully installed, and now we just have to put the plate in. So it's just like everything else. It's got 2 Phillips head screws. So it's going to be really quick work, even just with a manual screwdriver. If you don't drop it. All right, boom, off. And now, ta-da, hey, it fits perfectly, go figure. All right, so just putting these 2 screws in. That one's not quite tight yet because we want to make sure that it everything kind of goes in copacetic. All right, now to just tighten this top screw. All right, so if you liked what I did and you want to learn more stuff, go ahead, click subscribe. I'm going to be putting videos out every week is my goal, sometimes multiple times. And let me know in the comments what you want to see me teach you how to do, because I'm kind of I picked up a lot of things, and if I don't know it, then I'll figure it out. Thanks. Have a good one.